to make more leads, sales, and profit with Affiliate Mentor 2025. See, it doesn't matter what business you're promoting online or what business you're promoting from home, or if you're doing mail order or whatever business model you're doing to make money online, you need traffic, right? So what I'm promoting are their traffic gurus, and they'll be able to help you. And more importantly, we have a person that you can plug into through me that will help you, that is a top 5 earner in pretty much everything he does. See, have you ever felt like you're being left out of the know? You're being left out. They're not telling you everything. Whoever's your upline is not telling you everything or even close to everything. You're missing a key piece of the pie. You need the whole pie, right? You did all the work. You're ready to start making money, but you're missing the key piece of the pie in order to unlock the money-making potential. Now, Affiliate Mentor 2025, let's get into it and why this can help you with any online business. But before I do that, I want to tell you a little bit about me. See, I'm 53 years old and I've been involved in the online industry for about 12, 13 years. But I never was forced to make money. Understand me. I work hard. I dabble in, and I try my hardest, but it wasn't a need. Now it's a need because of this picture right here. What happened to me on November 20th, 2024. This is posted by my son. It's a mother's healing journey. Help my mother Felicia overcome. So, hi, my name is Israel Saleh, and I'm raising money for my mom, Felicia Mahone. On the morning of November 20th, 2024, my mom was struck by a car while crossing the street, attempting to catch a bus home from the night shift at Golden Gate Petroleum in Reno, Nevada. The accident left her with severe injuries. Now, mind you, I'm going a little off script right now. She was hit right in front of me. Like, I was meeting her, and I was across the street, and she was crossing the street. And then she was struck by a car going over upwards of 45 miles an hour. She hit the windshield, completely shattered it, basically. Like, it was horrible. And then she bounced 25 to 30 feet away into the middle of the street, right in front of me, and I thought she was dead. I didn't know if she was alive or dead. She didn't wake up for about 8 minutes, and my whole life changed then. See, then everything was on me to produce. So I wasn't even going to take that day off. I actually was forced and talked to into leaving my work because I was a mess. Like, I was a mess, and I didn't want to see that, and I knew that I needed to keep, if it was easier for me to keep working. Now, that makes me sound like a horrible person. I'm sorry. Like, I love my wife. I care for my wife, but there's nothing more powerless feeling than actually seeing, right in living color what's going on. Like, I was already a mess. But, so these are the injuries. The accident left with severe injuries include fracture of their neck, C2667, a broken femur and right leg, broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdermal hematoma with a blood clot in her brain that doctors are closely monitoring. So, she endured several surgeries, and to this day, in the GoFundMe, she's gotten about $445 in November. Now, I actually saw no offense, I saw one recently. It was over $15,000, and somebody was trying to get a vape for their son. A vape. So, nicotine, and it raised over $15,000. Now, our stores are raising money as well, and I'm very thankful, don't get me wrong, for everybody who's donated. Like, your money is appreciated. But this is not going to cut it. They're already up in her face all the time, asking her when she's going to be able to pay the insurance bill. Like, we're just sitting money under the mattress, so we just got, a couple $100,000 in the bank. She's been in the hospital or the rehabilitation center since November 20th. It is now almost May 20th, December, January, February, April. Almost 5 months later. Like, we don't have that kind of money. We do have a lawsuit, but who knows what that will entail. My point is, I have to produce. I am now the sole breadwinner, and she's got Social Security and is able to do maybe half the rent. I have all the other bills, and I'm more than happy to do it. My wife needs to focus on her health and getting better. But what is stopping you from where are you at? Are you certain that nothing's going to happen to you? Or are you ready to keep working till you're what, 70, 75 before you retire, 65, whatever that is might be, and that retirement's it. Like, who's to say Social Security is cutting money all the time? Who's to say your 401k is going to be enough? Who's to say nothing's going to happen to you? That you're not going to walk in tomorrow, no matter how long you've been for your job, because this happens all the time, and you get your pink slip, and you weren't ready for it. I'm giving you options no matter what you're selling online. We will help you. And how will we help you? Let me go to show you a little bit about that. Now, first of all, if you're simply sending people to capture pages or something like this long link right here, you're doing yourself a disservice. That is not the way to make money online. You're building the company's email list. You're not building your own email list. What I mean, this is what I have. And when I go to Traffic Authority, I'm going to show you what it looks like real quick. So you see the color scheme. Okay, I'll log in right here. See the color scheme? Black and gold. I don't want to show you that, but I want to show you this. See, I have congruency here. We can build you a page like this for $50. So, or you can build it yourself with the instructions. And see, I have my picture, I have my video, I have my right here.
Hey, thanks for entering your email address in the previous page. My name is John Sully, and you're here because you
see my name, my number, tell my little story, and it has the same color scheme and everything that the other page has. It has my bonuses. This will build your list. This will build know, like, and trust through the auto-responding messages that are set up for you. We're going to give you 150 messages just for starting out with our program. The base bonuses for anybody, not just you, but your people and your people's people, are the bonuses I'm about to show you. And it's enough. It's what I'm doing every single day to rank my videos on YouTube. You don't have to put yourself on camera. You don't have to do no dances. You don't have to sing. You make simple videos like this. That's very simple. It tells you exactly what description to use, what keywords to use, what titles to use. Word for word, everything's done for you. And what is the product? It's traffic. Everybody needs traffic no matter what you're selling online in order to make money. Like, I'm going super hard at this. I want 2025 to be the last year I work a job. Now, I have extra incentive now that my wife is in the hospital still. And it's a need because I'm not making enough money to pay all our bills. Period. So I'm extra focused. And I want to make sure everything's taken care of and she doesn't have to worry. So, of course, I'm focused, but what is stopping you? No offense, knock on wood. I'm not hoping anything happens to you. I'm not hoping you lose your job. I'm not hoping your, retirement follows through or whatever might happen. But I'm sure you have hopes and dreams. And if you're not building your dreams in your extra time that you have after work, then you're building somebody else's dream. Because everybody, they're like, oh, is this a pyramid scheme? Man, every job is a pyramid scheme. There is the CEO, there's the owner, the CEO, the stockholders, the district manager, the regional manager, the et cetera, the manager, the assistant managers, et cetera, the ship supervisors, etc. And the low man on the totem pole is us usually. We're the ones keeping the job going. We're the one everybody sees every day. We're the one doing the hard work and getting paid pennies on the dollar. Working 40 hours, your retirement is 40% of what wasn't enough in the first place. Worked 4 years at 40 hours an hour, 40 hours a week, and get paid 40% of what you originally were made, which isn't enough in the first place. Your retirement is a joke. No offense. You may have extra stuff. You may have stocks, bonds, whatever. But there are plenty of people out there that are, that are living month to month on Social Security that are not making enough. And this is before they're trying to do all these cuts left and right. You know what's going on with the administration right now? They're cutting things left and right. Medicare, etc., etc. Things are costing, food costs so much. Eggs, the basics. You need a plan B before it's too late. You need a plan B before it's too late. Now, what is my plan B? I'm going to show you real quick. Everybody is ranking with this YouTube strategy right here. Now, I would show you in incognito mode, but it'd be empty, blank videos. I'd be able to see it. You wouldn't be able to see it. So, I'm going to show you our team. Postcard Lifestyle is our team. Postcard Lifestyle is our team. Postcard Lifestyle is our team. There's my video that hasn't even been posted yet. Look at this. It's already ranking with no views. This is a video I'm doing tomorrow, 5/11/2025. It's already ranking with no views. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. I'll show you a different one. Affiliate Mentor review. So you see, it's not just one person. Okay, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. Charles Dukes. That's another one of our team. Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. This is my video. That's not even... It's review 2025 is the name keyword. More videos by Postcard Lifestyle. He's teaching. Here's another one. Michael De La Cruz. Another one on our team. Charles S. Dukes. Are you seeing what I'm talking about here? These are the same people. Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. We'll show you one more time, then I'm going to get back into what the bonuses are that teach you how to do this. Again, my video is number one. It has two of them, right? 511 and 512 that haven't even debuted yet. They're upcoming. They're 1 and 2. Okay? This type of training is right here in the basic $50 bonus package, okay? And what are you going to get with that? Book an appointment. The first thing you do is book an appointment with our affiliate mentor specialist, Justin Temple now. These calls are not to upsell you. These calls are designed to be a DFY sponsor style to help your team get their AM business set up, even if you're not available sponsor. Pay attention. This will build your business no matter what you're in. No matter what you want to promote. You need traffic, right? That's what Affiliate Mentor is. Affiliate Mentor is the front end for Traffic Authority, okay? And they are traffic gurus. So no matter what you want, you need eyeballs on your offer. People need to be able to take, and not to your capture page that the business gives to you, to a page like this that has your bonuses, that brands you as the leader, that builds your list. Traffic Authority, Affiliate Mentor, they have about half. You can get your clicks for half off. You can get paid even if somebody doesn't buy your product. If they're just clicking on your emails for over 14 days, you will get paid for that. 20, 30, or 40 cents depending on your package every time. So you can make more money. So you're helping for spillover if you're in the Save Club. 25 cents if you happen to go and spill over. Well, meanwhile, we have things that'll pay $500 every time you cycle, or $250 for 50% check match. Not 25 cents, $500, which is like almost $100 a person. If you're interested, you need to get with me today. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friend in Embed Settlement. This is my Affiliate Mentor 2025 review. Affiliate Mentor 2025. You'll get the training how to every day, and this is the best training, by the way. This is the training you go all in that you get. I think if you go to our middle package, you get paid even if you're not in the program.